How to fix Messenger no internet connection error. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Messenger no internet connection error. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here let's start with the step 1, that is to check your internet. So here you can open any web browser and after that you can load any website. And with that, you can also switch between Wi Fi and mobile data to check if the network is working properly or not. And with that, moving forward to the step number 2, that is to restart Messenger and phone. So here, close the Messenger app completely, and after that, you can simply restart your phone. And once you're done with it, you can open Messenger and try again. And here, with that, moving forward to the step number 3, that is to allow Messenger to use data. So here, simply long press on the Messenger app icon and from the pop-up menu, just tap on App Info. And now here, once you are inside the app settings, then what you have to do is simply tap on Data Uses. And now here, in this section, you need to make sure that the mobile data and Wi-Fi option are toggled on. And with that, moving forward to the step number 4, that is to disable the VPN, firewall, or ad blocker. So here you can turn off VPN, disable firewall, or network blocking apps temporarily. And after that, you can try Messenger again. And with that, moving forward to the step number 5, that is to clear Messenger cache. So here, simply long press on the Messenger app icon again, and from the pop-up menu, just tap on App Info. And now here, once you're inside the app settings page, just tap on Clear Data option, which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, just tap on Clear Cache and confirm it by tapping on OK. But don't clear data unless necessary. And with that, moving forward to the step number 6, that is to check the app permission. So here, just long press on the Messenger app icon again, and now from the pop-up menu, just tap on App Info. And now here in the section, simply scroll down and tap on App Permission. And now here in this section, simply allow permissions for camera, microphone, phone, and network access if listed. And with that, moving forward to the step number 7, that is to update the Messenger and Google Play services. So here, simply open the Google Play Store, and now here, once you're inside it, you can just tap on the search icon at the bottom right side, and from here you can simply search for the Messenger as well as Google Play services. And here, if you find any update button, then simply update it to the latest version because outdated service can block the calls. And with that, moving forward to the step number 8, that is to reinstall the Messenger. So, if none of the above steps worked for you, then what you can do is simply uninstall the Messenger app and reinstall it again from the Google Play Store. And once you've done with it, you can simply log in and test the call again. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.